Hey loves, so by the title of this video, you probably already know what I will be doing today. So I've noticed that as time has gone on, I don't know if it's because of age or if it's just because I don't know, but I've noticed that my eyebrows have been a little bit more sparse than normal, and especially where my arc is, I'm missing like a lot of hair, especially on this eyebrow. I have a few friends who have actually tried microblading, but I don't want to do microblading because I feel like my eyebrows are full enough that I don't need to do all that. I just want to avoid that completely. So I thought, why not tint my eyebrows? I've seen a few friends who have tinted their eyebrows. They go do it professionally. Now, I don't want to do it professionally. I know it only lasts about 2 weeks at most, and I just don't, maybe I'm just cheap, but I'm just like, I'll do it myself. Most beauty stuff I have dabbled into and tried myself. Like I once tried to do my own eyelash extensions, which I did do a video on it and I will link down below. Even though I feel like eyelash extensions is very time consuming, I feel like I'd rather just pay for those, which I have in the past. But I don't know, I just thought brow tinting, I mean, I could do that myself, right? So I thought, what would be the cheapest way possible to do this? And I found this good old cheapo here, the Kiss Color Express semi-permanent hair color in darkest brown, because I do have really dark eyebrows. Now, I'm going to get a little bit closer for you guys so you guys can see everything that I do, and I'm only going to leave it on for like 5 minutes or so. And if I need to retouch, I will retouch wherever I need a little bit extra, but I'm planning on mainly concentrating it on the outer parts of my eyebrow and then feathering it in. So at the moment, I do have my eyebrows done. So I am going to remove that with some water. I also have a full face of makeup, but that's fine. Okay, so I've gone ahead and removed all products from my eyebrows. Yeah, this is my eyebrow without any product in it. I don't know if you guys can see that up here where my arch is. It's very sparse and just there's a lot of hair missing, and over on this side, I'm going to take the Kiss Express semi-permanent, and I'm going to put a little bit in like a little dish. I'm going to grab any brush where we're going to draw in. So I'm just going to draw them in as I would my eyebrows regularly. And then I'm going to brush the hairs up so I can see a little bit better, and just draw everything in. And then I'm just going to feather this up, whatever's left on my brush, and then do little like feathery strokes so it looks like hair. I'm going to grab a little bit more and just make sure that this is all saturated. And this is one brow done. Now I am going to put a timer on because I only want to leave it on for 5 minutes. So I'm going to do that on my phone. And I'm going to start on the other eyebrow. They look super thick. So doing this brow, I start on the top like I did the other. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to brush them lightly up so the little hairs are up. And you want to take your time with this because you don't want to mess up. So I'm taking the smallest bit of product. And then here, feather it up. Whatever's left. Just do little strokes. So now you just want to make sure they're both pretty even. They're not going to be exactly the same, but you know. So I'm going to wait 5 minutes for this one. So I am going to remove this one first. This is how they are right now. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and remove this eyebrow since the 5 minutes are up. So here you have the finished result of the brow. As you guys can see, it's a lot fuller looking, and overall looks like I just drew them in. If you do feel that you need to correct a few spots, you can definitely go over that. I don't think mine needs correction, but just for the purpose of this video, you can just go back in and retouch. Let's say I'm gonna just do the arch a little bit more, and then just line right here, and just redo the feathering. I'm going to leave this on for like 3 minutes, and I am going to go ahead and remove the other brow, remove all the excess. It took a lot better the dye. I don't know if you guys can see. So those are the brows without any product whatsoever. I literally will wake up like this. You won't even need to draw them in. So I really love this effect to the eyebrow, especially if you have thicker brows but just some little sparse areas that you just don't want to fill in, and you can just wake up and look like this in the morning. So yeah, these are them all done. As you guys can see, sparseness, and I definitely won't be needing to fill them in for a while until it fades. So this can last up to 2 weeks. For me, it lasts 2 weeks, but of course it all depends on your skin. It could last a little bit less. Then again, you could always go back and retouch like I did, just leave it on a little bit less time and you should be fine. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you on my next one.